P500, 320 million to the sell side. Nasdaq 100,
26th of
40
June
million to the sell
2024.
side.
Market
Dow
is
30,
open.
that's at 65 million to the sell side.
This
Mag
is
7
Truck
Stock,
Trader from London.
6 million to the sell side.
We are opening lower. Plan is to... Yeah, that's going to be a main trade today. Trying to catch that bottom. Buy somewhere here. As I have published the plan for today. Trading. ES Futures trading plan for New York session open. I did it nowadays. And I dropped my on my X account, Twitter account. You can come and have a look. So this is London law. Let's just watch that. Tick chart open minus 1,400. Just took London law. I have to be long.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have to be long here for a little bounce. I didn't catch that at the right place. Alright, I think I'll take a loss here. Let's see. Should get a little bit of you know, yeah, there we go. A little bit of push after such a huge drop from the top. Market should respond, yeah. So let's see if this is gonna give us a little bit of me to basically push above this RTH up. But if we drop lower than that, then we're going. So here's my stop loss. Good. Let's see if we're gonna get a little bit of push now. A lot of shorts at 24. Should push that. Should close one contract here for
Order
sure.
submitted.
I'm not gonna give it back at this point. Let's go. Can reverse actually a little bit deeper, but shouldn't go below 21. That's you up. So hopefully we're gonna get a nice push. Might even go higher than that. But we need to take something off to feel a bit better. 29, I can see 29. So yeah, we could go down. Okay, everything is pushing higher. So it's coming back. Let's just take one off.
Order cancelled.
So we took some, and now we can write the rest. And hopefully it's going to be a proper write-up. I mean, I can see we could get to 32. Don't see a reason why not. This is very good. 1,500 delta. Now is the question, we're going to continue straight away, or we're just going to fool around here? We do have liquidity at 28.75. And this candle looks very nice. Big delta. The only problem I see, again, some times in sales, I do not see big boys buying that thing. Okay, let's see what they're going to do now. Oops. Big boys are not buying yet. We drop below. Move up.
Order filled.
What we have is just a swept all liquidity. I think we're gonna get to 515 now. Tried to make a runner, it didn't work. At least it didn't work at that time. Might take a while. There might be. Oh yeah, this is quite a big 30 contracts here. We might get down here one more time to get all of those early longs, and then we push higher. Fibonacci retracement. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's a good entry, but I would not be stopped. I don't see middle and street are buying it. Big boys are not really participating in that move yet. I think they will wait for a better price. So my plan is to buy off that thing, but obviously any kind of levels like this, you have to take advantage, you know. London sell side, London buy side, there's always a response, you know, in this area. And you have to take advantage of that. Here's London buy side. Here's London sell side. But more most important, yesterday's low. And perhaps we will go even to Monday's low. Not sure. Maybe 16.15 will be somewhere here. We're kind of, from what I see, we are kind of getting these higher lows here, rounding up, you know, the bottom. That means that we could push back up here today. Maybe even here tomorrow. Get up there. So I do want to be a buyer. I'm just not sure if we're not going to go down there one more time. Especially at the open, you know, they like to do tricks like this. First 15 minutes, candle usually swept from the top and from the bottom, one way or the other. We had that yesterday at the open look. You would think we're gonna go higher. No, they dropped it. They took that low, then we went up here. And swept the high. And basically trading back and forward for the rest of half of the day, and then we started to buy. So I expect similar behavior. I am expecting similar behavior. We don't have a catalyst to move this market higher today, like immediately higher. We have new home sales at 10 o'clock. So again, risk off into 10 o'clock can happen. It's not guaranteed, it's not always. But it can happen. But yeah, big boys are buying, so we were minus 120. Now we are minus 63, so they are buying a little bit, yeah. So they're buying a little bit. Minus 48. Just waiting, really. Back and forward, back and forward. This is 15 minutes candle. We might go and take that high into 28. Right, yeah, I think. All right, so we have first 15 minutes. Candle. That's the high. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and
Order
it is
submitted.
holding pretty nice. Yeah,
Order cancelled.
too late. No, we might get to this 28. Just wanted to grab really these 2 points. Probably we're gonna push to 20, but no guarantee. Big boy 13 plus. Okay, so we already bought 150 contracts here, or 60. So yeah, so algorithm is moving price higher. The ideal scenario now, we got a lot of longs, pulled it down, just pull them down here, grab this liquidity, and then we can go higher. We did kind of scenario here. 20, 17, 3 points lower, and boom. We didn't sell. Pulled lower. So we sold here. It's a bit different scenario than yesterday. Let's see. $28 is a possibility, so that's 3 points from here. Kind of holding that level. I think we're gonna get there. Yeah, pumping. I feel a little bit like I missed because of where I closed. Should have kept it. I was pretty convinced we're gonna go and grab it low. Beautiful
In
push.
10 minutes time now at the top of the hour. Do you see the release of the US
20.
May new home sales units forecast 0.633 million on the prior 0.634 million. The range is 0.675 to
There you go.
0.607 million.
It's
The
getting there.
change is forecast of minus 0.2% on the prior minus 4.7%.
Big boy sold I'm still
The
going to
report
push
that China
higher.
and Germany sign a memorandum of understanding on cross-border data flows.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
We have 15 minutes here. It's 28.50. That's pretty much here. A big boy's 93 on a minus 100. So we have a little bit of selling going on here. Now they're switching to buying. So they're still not. All right. So we did push for that 15 minutes candle. Yeah. Okay, so we are approaching that zone of trap buyers. So potentially 32. Yeah, I can show
Order
that.
submitted.
I'm gonna show this level.
Order submitted.
View up 32. This is what happens when you just not holding your trades. It was good entry here. Not the best. This one was better. But it's all right. The market is pumping higher.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
so now we do it. We might get back to 25. I'm gonna buy that if I push into 30.
Order submitted.
26. Take me.
Order filled.
Oh, thank you. Let's see. We're gonna get the push. 30, 31. This candle is pretty good. 1,400 delta on it. So should get a little bit of push, I think. No.
Order filled.
It's not going there. I'm gonna catch this lower. Maybe here.
Order submitted.
Into this further you got. Well, the further I got is here pretty much. View up is at 23. It's possible that we're going to trade this 25. A lot of selling going on right now. A bit of buying as well. So again, got out too early. I mean, I will be stopped anyway. What I need to do is just basically look into my trading, because I do have a good
10 a.m. Eastern
sense
Time,
of
CW's
what the
US
market's
single home
supposed to
sales
do
Units, forecast 0.633 million on the prior 0.634
in
million.
terms of,
The
you
range
know,
is 0.675
where the levels
to
are.
0.607 million expected. The new home
Should have
sales
kept
change
that.
forecast minus 0.2%.
If I was stopped,
on
fine,
prior minus
can buy it
0.47%.
lower.
Apologies,
It's just
the prior
not
minus
worth to
4.7%.
get out. All right, three more minutes.
Order canceled.
3 more minutes till 10 o'clock news. So I think we might get a push into the 15-minute candle. And after news, we'll see what they're going to do. Are we going to drop into 510, 511? Or not? Are we going to continue higher? Straight is pretty long. Middle is pretty long. Big boys are moderately long. They were pulling the market lower. So I think short will be nice. And according to my plan, this is where I would be looking to short for a drop through this down there. And buy it somewhere here. Oh, we are pulling already quite deep.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with
Order
the US new home
submitted.
sales units.
Look at it. It's rejecting. It's not even.
Order canceled.
It's not even going there. And I don't think it's going to go there. News. And we're going to short this. 31 seconds to news. Let's quickly below Russell, Nasdaq. Everything is rejecting. Dollar is pushing higher. 12 seconds.
10 seconds.
Let's see which way. Are we gonna get that push to 30?
0.619 million, 0.619 million, lower than forecast 0.633 million. The change at minus 11.3%, minus 11.3%, lower than forecast minus 0.2%.
Should complete the move, but I can do it later. We can pull the market
The US
lower.
May median sale price was $417,000, which is down 0.9% from the May year over year.
26.25 again, like yesterday. Somebody's loading
$421,200.
shorts here. 25, 25, 25. Same spot. Okay, I
Posted
think
out
we're
that
gonna go
US new
lower.
home sales may report on the feed for anyone interested.
Still might push a little bit. On the beam up. $25.75, 26, 27. Okay, so they want to sell into this 15-minute candle, probably. 32 is flashing. A bookmap. 27. Let's wait for this 32. Let's.
Continuing with prior revisions for new home sales. Prior was revised to 0.698 million from 0.634 million. That's the change, also revised up to 2% from minus 4.7%.
Now they pushed into that shelf of liquidity. Do you want to push higher than that? Looks like they sold there. $3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:02. Still a little bit of push, I think. Let's wait. Now we're gonna push for this 31, 32, 33. This is view up. Okay, I wanna short here one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. What? Am I free of? Free contract? Oh, I did that.
Order filled.
I don't know what I did. Why I did free. Okay.
Order submitted.
$31. Yeah. Just 31. Equity is up to 32. Yeah, that's pretty much it. $31, $32, $33.
Order filled.
Go on. Let's see now. Squeezing a bit higher. That. Big Boys 300. We did sell into this half an hour candle, a 15-minute candle. I'm expecting a pullback from here. But I need to add more. I need to see XR soon. So I don't want to rush with, I think 32. It's very possible. Yeah.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna add here. I think. Yeah, I'm okay with this price here. Come on. It didn't happen. Okay, so we are rejecting. There's a fair value gap, which you can see on a 15-minute candle. That's why I was trying to add more into that. Unfortunately, didn't get that price.
Order cancelled.
It's just holding game now. And I'm not the best in holding, I think. I need to learn. I like the fact that 35 gave up already. So 32 is still holding.
Order submitted.
We might add something here. Time. And that's it. And if it works, But they will go and try to collect all of that. First pullback. $26, it's possible, very possible. Let's see what they're gonna do. We're gonna go higher. We're just gonna basically tap somewhere here. On my end. Let's wait. I think we might get to this 32. One more minute on the 15 minutes candle. It's a decent pullback. I think we're going to continue higher. But still liquidity here. 28, 27, 26, 28, 27, 26. So they could push into this highs. Probably. You know what? Come on. There we go. I think we're gonna go now.
Order
All right,
filled.
got two. Stop loss needs to be here. Let's see. continue higher or we will drop and try to collect? We do have that low. Yeah, we could go down there if we wanted to. Well, at least 26, but no really reason to go to 26.
The
We have
far-right national rally in France are reaching 36% of the popular votes ahead of the first round of French parliamentary elections. So again, this is taking place on Sunday. There is also a televised debate happening in France tomorrow regarding this.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
I think we're still going to push a bit higher after that pullback. So I'm not feeling comfortable right now holding this. But they have time that I need to do it now, so they have another 12 minutes. 12 minutes is plenty of time. They don't need to continue higher at this point. They want to buy more. There's 27, 26, 20. 20, yeah, 27, 26. It's possible. We could get down there. 26.
So we're looking now
Just
at
gonna
the
buy
fear
one
and
here.
greed index,
We get that.
42 out of 100, which indicates fear. Crypto fear and greed index at 46 out of 100, also indicating fear. Keeping an eye on the VIX as well. It's currently down just 0.8% at around 12.95 points.
Time is a factor here now for me. They will probably go down here and grab that. Why not? They should do that. There you go. So we got 28, 27. So they're gonna go and grab that low, I think. I might go even lower, 27.5. So yeah. That's what I want to catch this somewhere here. I can't be too greedy because we are going higher. I'm gonna go high for another half an hour.
So in 10 minutes time now at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly EIA inventories numbers.
I have to
Oil
be secure.
inventories forecast
I won't
sees a
allow this to
draw
go
of
back up.
2.82 million on the prior draw of 2.547 million. The range
It has
sees
to
a draw
drop
of
now.
1 million to a draw of 3.048 million expected. For the gasoline inventories, the forecast is a draw of 1.5 million on the prior draw of 2.28
Come on, get down there.
million.
Oh, come on.
Stop. Order cancelled. Order
million
filled.
on the prior
Time.
draw of 1.726
One more time.
million. Inventories of crude in Cushing. Prior was a build of 0.307 million.
One more time.
Just making note of the API private
Just
crude
wanted
oil
to
stock
move my
change
stuff
which
and
came
just
out
give
last
a little
night
bit
after
of
the
space,
close,
man.
which showed a build of 0.9 million on the expected draw of 3 million. So again, API crude yesterday did come out at a build on the expected draw.
So
There
is
is
this
some
kind of
correlation
first
between
pullback is
prints.
bought and then the second one.
Order submitted.
Let's see. What's going on? We got 9 more minutes. It's 28.75 is waiting. And lower. So they're gonna push above first, above the 15 minutes candle. Okay, looks like they're gonna do that now. Fine. I'm gonna sell
Order submitted.
up here. One. $25.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Right. There we go. Okay, how about now? Once you sold, how about we go on?
Order submitted.
Yeah. $29. $75. Still here. Well, really? Six more minutes.
Yen sliding against the euro to the weakest level on record.
And right now it's pegging to the downside. 32. I don't like that. I do like that. Are you gonna dump now for me or what? I'm a bit too greedy. Let's do that. A bit too
Order-
greedy.
Order canceled.
See about that now. Lovely. I think we got the pullback I was waiting for. How about 23? 23. Oof. Oof. It's gonna be a lovely trade. See. 24. This 15-minute candle is at 24. So let's try to close this here, 25. I get the very first. Actually, you know what? Let's hold it. Let's practice holding, right? Because that's a break structure. I mean, not yet, but the moment we break this 28, we're going. There we go. This is a break of structure. And 23 is on the horizon. Obviously, view up first. Let's see. Bounce off the view up for sure. But I think we're gonna break the view up. Look at big boys. We've been plus 400. No, big boys are only 41. 61, 80. Okay, they're buying it. Covering the short probably. I really want this price to break view up and we're going to continue lower, really. It's 23. 24 is weird. Yeah. $20 even flashing, look at it. I got 20. Where's 20? Here, beautiful. Let's be greedy then. I
Order
don't.
filled.
Let's not exaggerate. 24, we'll take it. Because this can bounce now. As we take the 15-minute candle, this can bounce back to 30. We have liquidity up there.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA crude oil inventories.
So when I was short here, I was almost closing at first because it was just a bit too early. I was pretty sure. I didn't expect we're gonna push that. I need to take in consideration these situations that this thing can actually push high. But
Do you want to stay
that
up
was
to
good
date with
ad.
the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro
Thing is
for a year's
dumping.
worth of our service for the price of 1 month.
Okay,
Save
it's a
90
beautiful
days.
candle, 1,700. So what I want to
10
do,
seconds.
I want to get back at 27 somewhere.
Order submitted.
I
A
see
build of
it's
3 spot
27. 50.
591 million. A build of 3 spot 591 million. That's larger than the expected draw of 2 spot 82 million. Distillate inventories, a draw of 0 spot 377 million. Draw of 0 spot
27.50.
377 million. So that is larger than the expected draw of 1 spot 05 million. Gasoline inventories, a build of 2 spot 654 million.
didn't
build of
take
2
that.
spot 654 million.
We
Is larger
didn't take
larger
that
than the
15-minute
expected draw
candle.
of 1 spot 5 million.
This one.
We're seeing a little bit of weakness in WTI crude prices following that larger than expected storage draw in crude inventories.
Let's try to catch this a little bit higher. 27 and a half, 28. So we got this
Crude Cushing
27.
inventories, a draw of 0 spot 226 million, a draw of
Yeah,
0 spot
I wanna-
226 million.
I want this price here. we're popping higher. $28.75 is waiting. 30 is waiting. I'm gonna be moving this. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. Now I see 32 waiting. It's a nice pullback as well.
According to a Dallas Fed survey, they say regional oil and gas activity rises modestly in the second
Decent
quarter.
candle.
And oil and gas production was little changed for Q2.
So far, here was alright. Should have closed this one here as well. I would have re-entered somewhere here one more time, probably with one. Okay, this thing is holding now. So because it's holding, there's a possibility we can go to 32. It's quite far. But into this candle high. It's a beautiful pullback. When you look at this, if you were buying that, what they've done, they collected a lot of liquidity. Yeah, it would be better if they take that as well. Not sure why they didn't take that. Where was the open? No. Open was 23. So we basically went back into open. Okay, another 24 minutes. Observe time and sales. Where's this liquid? Where do we have liquidity? Okay, we got 16, 15. We have 32, 28. Cluster of buyers. Interesting.
Order cancelled.
Doesn't look like a drop to me. Might get back up. I could be due to swing a short trap. Yeah. It's a nice, whoever was short here was able to get out of this POC. But tick chart is still falling. Look at that. We're trading below. NYSE is minus 176. Nasdaq looks a little bit better. I don't know. We are 850 up. It's a good moment to walk away from the table. I have another 23 minutes. I like to trade till 11 o'clock, 11:30 maximum. So let's analyze what just happened. I'm gonna bring this thing up here. Overnight, first of all, we pushed just somewhere here, crazy push. It's just basically free fall from London Open. London Open was here, pushed in there. We bounced here. Let's mark that. That's the green line is yesterday's close. I mean, not close, but the highest point. Yesterday's high. Are they going to get down there and collect it? We'll see. They could do that. They could do that. But they also can, once they collected a lot of stuff here, a lot of liquidity. Let's think about it. All of the buying, street was buying, everybody was buying, all of that. They did sell into some levels, obviously. Yeah, we had that level here on the 15 minute, there was another one. Continuation to the downside. Now we're gonna go and grab that 15-minute candle. In my opinion, I have 19, 20, 19. Yes, looks like rejection. Continue to the bottom of this range, but don't jump on that yet, because they can still push this higher and then we're gonna drop. They still have 28, 29. And they have 5 more minutes. Also with this drop, what they've done, they collected these longs. You know, whoever was buying the last 10 minutes, 1, 2, 3, it's 9 minutes, 10 minutes, just gave back. So they have longs from all of that, and also from this little range. That may try to push up there, and we can see stop losses are waiting. I mean, targets are waiting. 24.50. A lot of buying. 24.50. Oh, look at that. 100 contracts. That's a big buy. That's a big buy here. $24.50. See it? Straight away. Price is going up. You can basically make decisions whether you want to buy or sell off this area if you can spot it. $25 as well. $25.75. See that? Drop. Try to drop. They collected liquidity. And now big boys are buying. That should be long. Yeah. I should have been long. Once I saw this 100, you got to be long, man. Even for a push, you know, if you catch it 25, 27, you got 2 points. Okay. We'll try.
Order
Because I
submitted.
didn't see them sell. 24, 25. We'll try to get this one more time. So we have another 15-minute candle. Question is, are we gonna go right now? Or just fool around here, start to build more liquidity for that push. And that's a 15 minutes candle here. This is where the stop losses are of shorts. You see that 24, was it 24, 25 or something? It was 100 contract bought. And that's what you get. You get something like this after that. Trading can be that simple. If you notice, it's low. Look at that. Alright, so they did sell. The transaction is over. They did sell into this 15 minutes. Now,
Order canceled.
doesn't mean we're going to continue. Maybe they just wanted to sell into that shorts. There was a lot of shorts here as well, right? We might continue higher. But no guarantees here after transaction has been completed on the 15-minute candle. It's the bottom of this 15 now. One leg, the second leg, we can just pump it up into this 39. Very easy. But I can't chase this. Can't buy here. Should have bought it here. 24.50. I can only watch the train or boat sail away without me. 1000 candle. 871 delta. But big boys are still minus 16. So who's pushing this market? Straight? Middle? Middle is pushing, but straight. How about drop? You see this volume here? These are stop losses bursting. We haven't got any continuation so far. It's actually minus. And we have somebody stepping in front of this price action, trying to load more shorts now. And that's an iceberg. You can see it here. The number never drops. 212, 210, 29, 210. Is it 2 or 3? I think it's 3. 200, yeah. 210 all the time. They're adding liquidity into it. Doesn't mean that we need to drop immediately, but they're taking it. We have another level here. Let's view up. It's 54 on the sell side. A big boy is still loading shorts. But we got some buyers as well. So a little bit back and forward. Eight more minutes. We could push Anyway, I think we're gonna go down. Yeah,
Order filled.
we're gonna go
Order
down.
filled.
Probably got too early for this shot. Wasn't patient enough. But this should work anyway. There's a lot of loading of shorts at this in this area. Not good. 54. 6 more minutes. Yeah, they got me. I got caught. Dropped. That's why you don't want to jump on stuff like that, because get out. Get the fuck out, man. Because you are the liquidity now. Ah, it's so painful. Really? There we go up there. Maybe not. Maybe that's the trap for longs. We will actually go down. It is probably trap for longs. So shorts jumped on it. They pulled the market higher. Like I jumped on it. They pulled the market higher. They sold. And now we're gonna go low, I think. So I'm gonna hold it. So the reason why we're not pumping higher now tells me we will actually go lower. But my position is very bad. Got 4 minutes. They can push into this 30. Yeah. It's a wrong trade. That was just a nice pullback. I don't know why I jumped on that thing, wasn't focused. how about now? I think we're gonna dump. Yeah. So my
Order
tape reading
filled.
wasn't that bad. So what they've done is this trick. They marked shorts. A lot of shorts jumped on it. They pushed. They sold them. They sold into. And now we're gonna. Now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go.
Order filled.
I think now we're gonna go. Got 15 minutes and another 15 minutes there. So I think.
Order
I think we're
filled.
gonna go down. A lot of longs up there. Was hoping for a push into the high, and now we're gonna take them into this low. That's what's gonna happen. We have, let's just mark these levels. This level. So we're gonna close one here.
Order submitted.
We're gonna hold this one here. I need to go for his view up first. 22, 21 as a possible target. So huge surprise to bulls here. So surprise to short and surprise to bulls that we didn't push higher. And no reason to go higher. The time of the day, it's 4 p.m. Should get down there and grab that liquidity properly. I'm actually even
Order cancelled.
just wait for this price. Here somewhere here. So I see it. 22, 21, yeah, well, it doesn't need to be that much. Let's try to grab that. Okay, so there's no coming back for this. To be honest, should be adding into that. Yeah. 15 minutes candle is here, so they will most likely turn around once we hit that. Okay, let's try to add
Order
some more.
submitted.
It's possible.
Order filled.
And hopefully continue now.
Order
Go
filled.
ahead and add more, yeah.
Order
Buy
submitted.
1, buy 2,
Order submitted.
buy 3.
Order submitted.
Come on, drop. Unbelievable. Alright, to give space. It's only 100, it's 250, it's not a lot. But it's pushing higher now again. God damn it. Come on, push. Liquidity is down there. They can turn around once they hit this. So I'll try to be more conservative. I see 23.75.
Order.
I'm gonna
Order
take one.
canceled.
Take this. Take this. Take the money. And now we got 22, 23, 20. So I'm thinking. Also 330 is waiting as well. So we can get back up one more time. I have time, they have 8 more minutes. But at the same time, I see this as one leg, second leg, going down here, basically, to this level, to collect that liquidity. That was a good take. Because I did add here and here. So, the moment we push through that, definitely people will cover. We get a bounce. Question is, do I hold this now? I mean, there's definitely liquidity up to 20. So, if we drop another 4 points, that's another $300 for me on that run up. And we have, there's a liquidity here as well, which I didn't mark. Okay, we're taking the first 15 minutes, I guess. I mean, look at that, 16. It's crazy. Right? We are bouncing off this one. If we break that, okay, continue to the bottom. Covering, yeah, that's expected, but I think we already broke the structure here. A lot of liquidity down here, 20, 18, 17, 16, 15. Look at that. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised to see something at 18, 15 is like, look at that, mate. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. Woo. We got the measured move. Should I cover? I think we're going over. There's too much liquidity down there. Let's just hold it 15, even 15. I mean, once we take that low, I'm out. So I'm just gonna sell in front of it just to make sure. And after that,
Target
there
filled.
we go, my friend. And after that, I'm finishing. 1,675. This will most likely continue lower. You go, look at it. Liquidity is 1512. Are we going to grab that? Wow. I mean, today's, that's buy, right? That's a buy. Think about it. That's a buy here for a bounce. I should be buying that. There's a lot of people gonna cover here.
Order submitted.
For some kind of bounce, but what I see in Bookmap tells me we don't touch this on the buy side. Look at it. Somebody's trying to even push this lower. 370 contracts trying to short this. 363 contract. They're gonna be showing it here at 21. So yeah, we bounce, sure, up to 23. Decent bounce from 18. 5 points. Beautiful. The most difficult part in trading, once you know where to buy, where to sell, is holding and getting out of, obviously, out of the wrong trades quickly, which I'm not doing always. But look at that. I've been shorting this, but I realized this is a bit too early, too close. They like to make another kind of wave. The moment we stopped, the moment I saw this imbalance on the buy side, you see this green frames, this is buy side imbalance. That means that somebody's stepping it very hard on the buy side, probably short from here, here. But at the same time, I knew that they were dropping shorts on the time and sales quite heavily somewhere here. By dropping shorts, I'm saying, they were adding liquidity into the short side. These guys, they have deep pockets. They can withstand movement like that. Look at that. These guys who are shorting this, see that? They get exactly the same amount. I mean, not exactly the same amount, but decent amount of that. Covered here. 27. Covered into 31. 31. 4 points. 5 points here. Then we dropped. And I covered that here with loss. But then I decided to add. And it was a good add. We add here again. We add here and here. We held it. We closed 3. And we held the last one. And that's a buy. See that? Didn't look on Bookmap like that. That's a buy. Because everybody's gonna cover here. All the longs are gone from today. Whoever was buying this from the open, Google, Apple, Nvidia, everybody gave back whatever they had in the pockets. I mean, look at Nvidia. Where did we open? We opened here. This is where we opened. And pretty much everybody gave everything with this drop. Look at Intel. Down. Alphabet is looking a little bit better. The same thing. Okay, this is ES. push. Now is the question. We're going to revisit that or not. And to be honest, this is where I get into troubles trading, because I see something like this 1100 1607 and I'm expecting retest of this level and I don't get it. See liquidity here and I don't get it, and I'm shorting something. I mean, yes, you can short this definitely. You can short that for a little drop, but this can very, very easily get to 30. They already collected. This whole buying at the open, you know, they don't care. They grabbed it. They can drive it up there in one swift movement. And you're so tempted to short because, you know, this whole thing is just basically doing that all the time. Push, drop, short, push. You know, you can go long, you can go short, you can do whatever you want to do with it. But after 4 p.m. London time, which is 11 o'clock, when they sweep the liquidity, they don't need to go back down there. There's no point. And very often, you know, sometimes they even turn around in front of the liquidity. Look at this. This is what they did yesterday. They turn around here. Boom. These longs got trapped in here, in this area. 28, 30. I mean, they gave back. Nobody was holding this for, what was that? 28, 16, 12 handles. Nobody was able to hold that. I mean, some crazy guys, they do. They probably add. So yeah, you just buy it. You buy one contract here. And this is what you get. 10 handles. Walk away from table. Do you understand? Walk away from the table. Push to 30. Now we can get a little bit of pullback. They're gonna buy that pullback. That's what's gonna happen. So any kind of pullback should be shallow. Okay, guys, I think time to walk away from casino. Because I know how this ends. I keep trading. I made good money. I want to make more. Then I'm gonna make another 400. Then I'm gonna have like 2,000. And you know what? I'm gonna pass this account in one go. And then do some crazy stuff at the end of the day. Need to learn not to do that. I need to learn to walk away from the table. So difficult to do it. But that's the key to my success. That's the key to it's a huge day. I mean, it's, what else do you want to do? Just come tomorrow, make the same thing, and you pass account. Or make half of it, and you pass account. I mean, another day. Don't be fooled. This, that was a good short somewhere here of VWAP. That's definitely a good short. But this pullback is going to be a bit shallow. Look at that. 1,100, 1,600, 1,400. That's a massive buying. Look at that. Look who's buying. Look who's buying here. 20, 34, 17, 17, 50. See that? Do you think that I'm buying it? 50 contracts? That's $2,500 per point. Right? Do you think I'm buying that? No. Obviously not. Banks are buying this kind of chunks. And they are moving the price. And they are sitting in the money right now because they bought the bottom. They collected. With this drop here, they collected. Whoever was long, they're gone. We're pretty sure, we're going to go higher. We're going to push into this high. It didn't happen. They took them down. That was the measured move. We go even more. They went for the liquidity. 18 and we dropped to 16. 2 points dropped. 2 points below liquidity. This is mostly what stop losses. Where stop losses are sitting. 1, 2, 2.5, maximum 3 points. That's it. So let's walk away. Finish this and go out into the sun. Got a beautiful sunny weather today in London. There you go. Pullback's coming. Okay, somebody sold. Buyers are stepping in. But I'm done. Not today. They're not gonna take that from me. See you tomorrow. This is Trap Trader from London. All the best in your trading, and if you're in the money like me, walk away right now because there's no point. If you want to make money, the opportunity is in the last 2 hours of the day, 1.5 hours of the day. Now lunchtime, they're just gonna fool around. They can fool around here, they can keep going up. They can do whatever they want to do. I would assume that they will try to sell it into yesterday's high. Look where London high was. Up there. Up there. So we have been here with futures today at 55.52. We're trading 25. That's another 25 points. And we can get there. All right. Till tomorrow. Or maybe this afternoon. We'll see. If I see the market taking this low, which is yesterday's low and Monday low, I might step in and buy it one more time. But we'll see. Bye.